Hello, and welcome back to a slightly different video today. Today's video is going to be about EosCrash. When this game first came out, I was actually pretty intrigued by it, simply because all the gambling apps were basically just dice games. And this was something very different and very creative. I, for one, was getting sick of the dice games, and that's why you don't see any dice videos on my channel. This is a fairly simple game. You could bet on the odds of the market going 1x, 2x, or 1000x. And if it hits that multiplier, then you get that return. Now, obviously, the higher the multiplier, the less likely you hit it, but you could take your chances before you, well, crash. Hence the name of the game. So that's pretty much it. That's how the game works. And I'm gonna play a simple game just so you can see it in action. Here I'm gonna bet the minimum, which is 0.1 EOS, and I'm gonna join the game while there is still 6 seconds left. I'm gonna hit join, and then that should pop out a scatter. I'm gonna hit allow and bet success. I bet 1.99, which I guess is the default. So here you see the multiplier go up and I crash. It happened at 1.19. So I lost my EOS, but let's play a little bit safer. Let's just go with 1.09. I'm pretty sure that would be just fine. So again, hit join game and hit allowed. Bet play successfully. And let's see where it goes up to this time. So there you go. I already hit my multiplier and I got it. And actually it's going quite high up this time. Wow, okay. So crash at 2.3x. So that's the game. Go check it out over at eoscrash.app and make sure you like and share this video.